In this video, I'll show you how we can install Docker on Linux 7. If you go here on docker.com, so we'll click here on Linux. We are not going to install Docker Desktop, we will install Docker Engine, and here we'll be installing it on Ubuntu. The OS requirements are given here. So we'll follow the step-by-step guide here. So run the following command to uninstall all conflicting packages. So I'll just copy this here and run it on my. So it has uninstalled all the conflicting packages. So installation method, install using the app repositories. Only 3 steps involved. So first you to set up the repository. So first of all, we set up the repository here. And it is successfully completed. And now we'll go to next step, add Docker official GPG key. So I'll just copy this here and run this command over here. Now we'll go to third step, which will set up the repository. Done. So I'll just copy this here and update. So all the package list is updated now. Now we'll go for the installation. So it will install the Docker CE, Docker CLI, and all of that. So I'll just copy this. Now it has started installing all the Docker packages which are required. All right, so I need to make sure that Docker is running now. So I'll just check for the service. So it is sudo systemctl status and Docker. So I'll just restart this service right now. Start. Right now, the service is running. So if I check the service status right now, so you can see here it is active and running. We'll now go and check the hello world Docker and make sure that this is running right now. So here you can see hello world. So hello from Docker. This message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. So the process was very simple. So first of all, I'll run a Docker PS, so which will show you what type of containers are running right now and when it was created, what is the status and all of that. Right now, this table doesn't show anything because there is no Docker container installed right now. So my choices to install Docker containers will be uh, these 5 actually, which I use for my home lab all the times. Whenever I start Docker, I make sure that at least these 5 containers are there in my Docker. Container is used to manage all your containers. And then Nginx proxy server, you can have the proxy server for all your containers to manage the DNS record for all your containers. Hamdel, this is my favorite. And then Home Assistant to do the home automation, and Plex, which is a great media server. These were some of the containers that I like the most for my home lab. And of course, for the enterprise, for development, there are various containers and Docker images available. In fact, on Docker Hub, there are millions of Docker repositories available right now with millions of accounts, with billions of pulls and pushes. So I'll be covering some of my favorite and some of important Docker containers installation tutorials, step-by-step guide in next videos. Don't forget to check out my Docker playlist where I have curated some of my personal favorites. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for my next videos. See you soon.